seen people pay $25 on self and their credit score went up. So I don't necessarily try to say if you pay $150 it's going to be a difference. It's going to be depend on where your credit score is already at. And then also just the consistency of paying, your credit score should go up. So when an account is reported to the credit bureaus, your credit score should go up at that time. And then when you continue to pay on it, your credit score should go up. Now, my credit score went up 155 points. It's probably more than that now. I haven't went in my self account and seeing it, but my credit score went up a lot, and I did not pay $150 a month for 2 years. I only paid $48 per month, and I paid that for a year. So let me show you that. Let me show you that self account, because some people just think that it depends on how much you're just paying. Sometimes it's just the consistency of just paying in general that your credit score is going to go up. It don't necessarily have to be a certain, like, no set amount that you have to pay. So this is the account that I did. I did the $48 per month for 12 months. I paid on that for a whole year. That's it. And my credit score went up. And then what I did was I did get another one like that. I did get another one, but that 155 points, that's from other stuff I was doing too. Also, this is the one you were referring to, the $150 per month. Some people just see an increase just with $25 per month. It's just a point of consistency, them reporting, and then you paying on it every month. That's it. That's all when it comes down to this. Now, if you want to really see an increase in your credit score, don't forget I do have that option that I can teach you guys how to increase your credit score with the 60 points in 60 days. Check it out. I am doing another meetup next month, so definitely check that out and continue to check, because I pray that I can continue to do meetups, you guys, for the people that's inside my membership, where I can look at your credit reports every month and say, oh, hey, this is what we need to do, or sometimes twice a month, because there's other things we need to do. We need to apply for credit cards. We need to remove accounts if you got negative accounts, inquiries. We have so much stuff we need to do, but I teach you guys how to do it on your own. If you guys want that one-on-one help, if you guys want me to be looking at your credit reports myself, then definitely make sure you guys check out the membership and then join my next meetup. But there's other ways to increase your credit score than just to think that the self is going to be the only thing to do it, because it's not necessarily just that self that's going to boost your credit score. But definitely check